Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. Also known as starfruit, is a tropical fruit known for its unique star-shaped cross-section and its sweet tart flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as carambola, carambola, la, carambola. Despite its delightful appearance and taste, carambola contains oxalates, so people with kidney conditions should consume it in moderation. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about carambola, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.